Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send a DM on X, aka Twitter app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, search that person's ID and make sure you are following each other. Here in this case, this person I'm not friends with, so I cannot send them a message, right? So you're gonna go ahead and make sure that you both are following each other. And here in this little message icon would be on below right corner of your screen. If you tap on it, you're going to find the conversation that you have done. If you tap on this person's account, we have sent them a message. Again, we're simply going to go ahead, type in a message and send them. That is how we can simply DM them here on our X or aka Twitter. And if we go to our profile icon, here in this section we can go to 7 followings, and we can go ahead follow the person. If they also follow us, we will be able to DM them just right from over there. So that is the way, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.